The Keychron Q1 wireless Hall effect keyboard is a standout option for anyone in search of a premium mechanical keyboard. Priced at $197, down from its original price of $218, this keyboard is a perfect balance of design, functionality, and customization. One of the first things that stands out about the Q1 is its all-aluminum case, which provides a solid premium feel that is sure to impress anyone who values build quality. It has a sleek, modern look that complements any setup, making it an excellent choice for both work and gaming environments. What sets the Q1 apart from many other keyboards on the market is its gasket mounting system. This not only provides a satisfying, cushioned typing experience, but also adds to the overall durability of the keyboard. The result is a typing feel that's smooth and responsive, while still maintaining a bit of bounce that many mechanical keyboard enthusiasts crave. It's clear that the Keychron team has put a lot of thought into ensuring that every key press is comfortable and satisfying. The Nebula Double Rail Hall effect switch is another feature that makes this keyboard stand out. These switches provide a unique typing experience, offering a smooth key press that can be further customized to your liking. The tactile feedback is distinct without being too loud, making it ideal for both work and gaming. Whether you're typing long documents or playing fast-paced games, the Q1 offers the responsiveness and feedback that users want. The ability to fully customize these switches is a huge plus, as you can fine-tune the experience to your specific preferences. Another major benefit of the Keychron Q1 is its wireless Bluetooth connectivity. You can easily connect it to your devices without the need for additional cables, giving you a cleaner and more streamlined desk setup. This feature is particularly handy for users who want to switch between different devices, like a laptop and a tablet, with minimal hassle. The Bluetooth connection is stable, and the keyboard pairs seamlessly with both Windows and Mac OS, making it versatile for all types of users. While the keyboard sound profile could be improved slightly to some users' tastes, these minor issues are largely subjective. The Q1 offers great overall performance, and most people will find it perfectly satisfying for both casual typing and gaming. One of the best aspects of this keyboard is the level of customization it offers. Whether it's tweaking the switches or adjusting the RGB lighting, everything can be fine-tuned to make the keyboard truly your own. At the current discounted price, the Keychron Q1 wireless Hall effect keyboard offers exceptional value for those looking for a customizable, high-performance keyboard. Its build quality, customizable features, and versatile connectivity make it one of the best options in its price range. Whether you're working, gaming, or both, this keyboard is a fantastic investment for anyone who appreciates a great typing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.